It's so cute. This cat is so cute. Oh my god. Love cats. Okay, I have cats everywhere.
Don't complain about the pain. Don't say, why me? Say, try me.
Oh, I like this perspective. So it's
Don't complain about the pain.
don't complain about the pain.
Don't say, why me?
Don't say why me. Say try me. Super cool. Come on. So this is called Pro Am. So it's basically so this guy is a teacher and this is his student. So he's training her. I do exactly the same thing. So she's taking private lessons and she doesn't need a partner. So basically her teacher is her partner. So they train together. He teaches her like different choreographies, dances, and then there is a lot of it's called pro-am dance competitions, maybe once a month in Los Angeles. So it's like really fun, and it's a very big thing. So when first time I came to US, actually that's why I like ballroom dancing because of the pro-am structure here, not like as much as professional. Because professional, like this couple is also pro-am, but it's such a high level pro-am. They look like a real pro. So with the pro-am structure, it gives you opportunity to make more money, and it's actually less pressure. When you're a professional dancer, you have to like really beat everyone, be the best of the best. But with the pro-am, you can have like 10 different students, and you can actually be a successful pro-am teacher, which is many guys do here. So like you see, like this one, absolutely incredible. So this is another pro-am dance competition, and this is called International Latin Dance Style. There is like different levels, like a bronze, silver, gold. So this is a gold level or open level, which is like very high level. There's like also bronze, silver, pre-bronze, and also age category. So this is girl probably A, which is like I think 18 to 35 years old. Whereas like this one probably like C division, over 50 years old. So basically you compete at your age and at your skill level. So there is a two categories: age, A, B, C, D, I think, and skill, like your beginner, bronze, silver, gold, or it's called open level. So this is also pro am, so, but it's very high level. You can tell it's this is a teacher, this guy. This is his student in a white dress, and she's very young, so maybe like 18 years old or something. And this is open goal level, so it's like even hard to say who's teacher, who's student. It's a great opportunity for students to experience the highest level. Like another way pro am, I know that in golf there is a lot of pro am. When you play golf, you can actually pay somebody to like professional to play a game with this, and I think in tennis as well there is a pro am applied. So very cool system. Actually supports artists, supports dancers. Strongly recommend everyone. So this is a professional Latin. So this is a Blackpool. So Blackpool is the biggest competition in the world. Is in England. This is very famous couple from Italy. This is another incredible couple from Russia. What his name? Kirill. Kirill, his name. So this is actually the dance is cha cha cha, and this is the most famous couple in the world. It's called Ricardo and Yulia. They have been world champions like 13 times, maybe more. They totally create the leak on its own. Everything from technique, improvisation, feeling, top level. And this is dance is called cha cha cha. And actually, in life they're very short. They're not too tall. So they looks like so big in the video. Yeah, so this is the best technique, performance, look, everything combined. So this is Ricardo Julia Day teaching. It's Paso Doble in Paso Doble. She looks like she's pregnant here. They already have a baby. Yeah, the best couple. Love them. So this is a basic rumba by Ricardo and Julia. This is called fan position. With the she did a hip twist. They kind of overturn it, create a much more beautiful look. It's just like perfection. It is best. This is an open hip twist. This is a hip twist with the delayed knee forward. Yeah, so if you have chance to take lessons with this couple, strongly recommend. Like absolutely the best. So, so this is basic steps, but looks like the most sophisticated routine if it's done with the style and taste. This is called spiral. So she's doing spiral, taking her time, delaying. So she's very intuitive. They really feel each other. Beautiful. So this is a bachata. It's called bachata. Very popular social dance. Very simple. Bachata. So this is called sensual bachata. You see, so sensual bachata has a lot of body ripples, head rolls, hip rolls. It's my favorite style of bachata. See, I like body waves. You see, she did body roll and hip roll. So beautiful. So reverse wave and cambra. Let's see. Love this couple. They actually teach a lot of. They have a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I follow them too. Like a regular bachata is basically going from side to side and like doing a lot of turns, but this one is more sensual, so it focuses on body ripples, connection. So it's extremely sexy. So let me find. So this is example of incredible sensual bachata. It's 100% improvisation, lead and follow, totally feel each other. So he gives you signals through his body. Of course, she like recognize figures, but it's 100% improvised. You see, she doing these body rolls. Love sensual bachata. Such a great dance style. And also, it's a social dance, so danced in clubs when it's like a lot of people. That's why it's so compact. Really, it's like you're having a conversation with each other. Yeah, beautiful